morning. It's 10:16 and I'm going to the inspection department. Should I say department? I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm going to have Brownie Girl checked because the registration will expire already. So I needed to renew the vehicle license. Yeah. Ito na naman tayo. Nga na naman tayo sa mga bagay-bagay kasi you know, when you're first time trying this and doing this and ikaw yung maglalakad na hindi mo naman usually ginagawa dati si Habibu. And yeah, it's something new. So, let's go figure it out. Kanina pa dapat ako nakaalis kaso yun nga, na busy. Kakascroll. Kaloka, wala na tayong magawa. Anyway, let's go and I'll update you. Okay, I am here and I don't know what I'm doing here. I passed already the payment area. But yeah, what to do next? Maybe he will help me out. Okay, kinuha na ni Kuya yung car. And chine-check na niya yung gulong. And then, next doon na sa unahan. So, actually, na-experience ko to dati, but ngayon lang ulit. So, parang, hindi ko na maalala. Okay, umupo ako dito sa kabilang side and they are fixing Brownie Girl. I mean, not fixing, checking, inspecting. Ayan. Sana wala siyang issue. Okay, I just arrived home, maybe that was quick. It's not even 5 minutes. So, yeah, at first I was like kind of scared because maybe they will question me, but it was a smooth process. I thought I have to go through this and that. Kinakabahan ako, but then the woman who asked for my alhosen and the cards that I have, and she asked for renewal. She's really nice. She's a local. She's an Emirati. And I'm happy when people are light like this. Everything will go on smoothly. It's just that sometimes you are intimidated by rude people. You are intimidated by government people. You know what I mean? And what happens is you have this scary feeling that, oh, you did something or you have a crime or something. I don't know. Is it just me or I'm overthinking? My goodness sake. Anyway, nagbaon ako nito, choco pie. So I'm just gonna eat it here to celebrate something that I have done. Char. Yun lang yung ginawa. Tapos celebrate yarn. Oo ba? Luto tayo ng popcorn, merienda ng mga bata. Wala, hindi pa nagpa-pop. Okay, I'm gonna try to figure out to open the car. Kasi si Habi po nakakaloka. Ayaw niya akong turuan kung paano buksan yung likod ng sasakyan. Paano nga ba yan? Ala, iba. Iba yung pagka-Cherokee niya. Iba to, be. Ano natin isasakay yan yung tatay mo? Wala talaga sa ayos. Cherokee naman yung chinek ko. Do you know how to, pull down the car seat? I mean, like, ilay down ko siya. Hindi mo alam?
Mama,
Oh.
wait, let's try see if they in the video in the TikTok they said there's something under here.
Here?
Yeah.
Which one? There is, be.
What is it?
It's the gulong.
Oh.
Baby, so ayan, I'm with Bebe Boy and we are going to... Where are we going, be?
The cycling track.
Nagdala ka ng extra t-shirt mo? Makapagpawisan ka, anak? So, ayan! It's already 6:58 and 7. Magkikita kami ng friend ko dun, si Irene. Pares kami ng name. Mag-rent lang kami ng bike and the bike is already there, I guess. Nagpa-reserve ako ng 2. Babayaran ko na lang doon. And magbabike-bike kami. Tomorrow there will be
A race.
a road race but we're not joining kasi hindi kami nakapag-register.
And costs.
So, yeah. You ready? Ano ba? You're sitting in front? You're proud you're sitting in front kasi nandun yung bike niya.
Irene is the
With us? Yeah. Okay. We are here at the Al-Ain cycling track. Na-erase nga lang yung lights niya pero Bebe Boy is there playing while waiting for our friend. So ayan, di ko alam kung tama yung pagpapark ng bike na paganyan siya. Yung gulong lang yung nakahawak. I think no. I'm not sure. Contact lens, and I have these glasses from Shein na walang grado. So, I'm just using it to protect my eyes kasi sobrang windy and for sure it's gonna be dusty. So, yeah, gamitin natin. Ganon. O, diba? Teacher yan. You'll be fine, be? Pinagsisika namin 3 bike doon. Ilaw pa yung isa. Okay, let's go. Have coffee. May milkshake siguro sila, baby. Okay? Hi, baby. Okay ka na? Masarap yung drinks mo? Hi, girl. Para kaming tanga dito sa gilid ng kalsada. Okay lang. Chill lang. Kung meron nga tayong latag, dito tayo sa Sand Dunes eh. Oo. Saan po probinsya nyo? Mindanao. Kayo po? Okay. Everybody is sleeping. So we just arrived home. I was able to drop the bikes and drop my friend as well. And yeah, look at that clock that we did 5 kilometer going and then 5 kilometer coming back. So it's a total of 10 kilometer. And we don't feel exhausted at this moment. But of course, sometimes, you know, it will take time. So tomorrow, good luck. Our legs will hurt, the muscle will tense and everything. So yeah, it was a good one. We really enjoyed, though we only bike for like an hour or so because normally the rent 40 dirhams will last us for 24 hours, but still it's a good experience with a friend. Puro chikahan lang kami sa road, that's why we didn't really like feel exhausted and all kasi syempre kasama mo ka chikahan mo, so yun, nawala ng very slight ang mga stress and all. So that's really good. We are home. Baby boy is dead tired. Hindi pa ako tumatawag kay Habibo, so I don't know if they are sleeping, if they ate or something. But yeah, I had coffee. Dumaan kami sa Dribble. Yan. Then I called them kasi if not, dadalhin ko pa siya. Hindi ko sa inyo napakita kung paano yung pagkakastuck ko sa likod ng car. But it's definitely a chaos. And yeah, ayun na lang yung bike nilang ni Baby Boy yung nandyan. But yeah, so far so good. It was a great experience with a friend. So yeah, nag-partner pa kami ng damit. She bought this sa Spain yata. So ito yung sinuot namin talaga. Nakakatuwa. So, ayun, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you again tomorrow. Good night, babies. I love you so much. Mwah. Hi, babies. Quick vlog. It's 7 p.m. and we plan to go to Al Ain cycling track. I bring Bebe Boy with me, so we're just chilling while waiting for my friend. I book a rental bike with Crankmaster Cycling Shop, so they have a track that goes there every 4 to 8 p.m. For those who wants to rent, it's 40 dirhams per day. So we started at 8 p.m. My friend Irene, yes, same name as me, got us this pink top from Spain and decided to wear it together. So we enjoyed a 5 kilometer back and forth, total of 10. So yeah, it never feels tiring when you're talking on the way with a friend. It's a lot of fun, plus the weather is perfect. After that, we grabbed coffee at the food truck nearby. We choose Dribble and Bebe Boy choose mojito from the shop. We drank it by the roadside, then returned the bike, dropped our friend, and went home. That's it, the end. Thanks for watching, baby. See you again next time. Bye. Love you so much. Thanks for watching.